What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai Genesis remote key fob. This Hyundai Genesis key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to replace this battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button my thumb's on. The emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, on the right hand side that's the space that emergency key came out of, and on the left hand side we can see there's this little bit of a notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put my key in that notch like that, make sure it's all the way in, and then I'm just going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the shell apart. Go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart, and in the back half we see our battery right here. Then I'm going to use my screwdriver just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down. Snap it down into place, and then we can snap the two halves of the shell back together. Grab our emergency key and slide that back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.